Fellow truckers, we know the grind. Long hours, tight schedules, and the constant search for a safe place to rest. But parking on freeway ramps? That's a gamble you can't afford to take. Let's talk reality. Every year, accidents involving parked trucks on freeway ramps cause serious injuries and fatalities. It's a dangerous game of chance, and the odds are stacked against you. Imagine this. A distracted driver slams into your parked rig. The consequences are devastating. Your insurance rates skyrocket. One accident can lead to years of increased premiums, eating into your hard-earned profits. Legal battles and potential fines. You could be held liable, even if you were just trying to get some rest. Lost time and income. Repairs, investigations, and potential downtime mean money out of your pocket. Is saving the few bucks on parking really worth risking lives, your livelihood, and your insurance? StoreMyTruck.com offers a better solution. Secure, reliable parking for just $17 a day. For less than the price of a couple of coffees, you can park in a designated, well-lit, and secure lot. Rest easy knowing your truck and cargo are safe. Avoid the dangers and liabilities of ramp parking. Keep your insurance rates low and your driving record clean. Don't gamble with your safety or your future. Choose StoreMyTruck.com's $17 daily parking, the smarter choice. Visit StoreMyTruck.com to find a location near you. We have over 70 locations across the country, in Georgia, Alabama, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Texas. Book your spot online or pull up to the gate of any of our locations and scan the QR code to reserve, pay, and park. It's that simple. You can also call us at 678-631-7275 to talk to a parking specialist. StoreMyTruck.com. Drive smart, park safe.